Okay, well, so I put together this Dewalt rack, and I didn't take a video before I left, so I'm gonna show you. So this is what I did tonight. This is gonna be our cricket station and our eBay listing and possibly shipping station. So this bottom shelf here, all the way down the bottom, is going to hold the cricket, and then in the drawer we're going to keep all the vinyls and everything, so that we can be ready to make our shadows or pegboard shadows efficiently and without having it in the way. And then on the top shelf, I'm thinking probably packaging materials like flat rate boxes, padded mailers, that kind of stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I got these things. I bought 2 of the shelves. They're $200 a piece for the shelves, and I just stacked them, made them into one. You can see the drawers. They're pretty cool. These shelves are pretty cool. So yeah, I'm thinking about getting more. I'm afraid that they're gonna run out of them, or that they're gonna stop stocking them. I just don't. But I don't 100% need more than this right now. I was thinking about maybe replacing my own desk. Right now I have. I got a pallet rack desk. I was thinking about replacing that one with one of these, because this one has drawers. But yeah, so right now my desk serves as the eBay shipping center. And I think soon, I don't know, this may end up just being a listing center, and I might keep my pallet rack table for shipping. But this has a whole lot more shelves than mine. And pallet rackings by itself is pretty expensive. Just the 2 uprights that I have for my pallet racking are $250 for those 2, $119 each. So if I ever have to go buy some more, it'd be worth it to buy the rack, the workbench, and put it in place of my table. I probably should go ahead and do that. Yep. Well, here's some more pictures. So that's the workbench as I'm putting it together. Oh, boxes. It's got these really nice supports here. Makes it a real heavy-duty bench. Anyways, all right.